Welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. So in today's lesson we'll be looking at the minor endings which I talked about in my previous tutorial. So we will look at it in depth today. Stay tuned. Number 4. Then you go to number 1. So let's take a look at the second ending. Use the parallel minor scaling. So it's or we can even use the blues scaling, which I'll talk about in the coming tutorial. So it's so in this end, play the song one last time. Watching this video up to this far, and please like this video and don't forget to click that subscribe button.